Want to make money on YouTube without ever being on camera? What if I told you there's a way to build a wildly profitable YouTube without showing your face or even making the videos yourself? I know what you're thinking, but I don't want to show my face on YouTube. That's okay. You don't have to. In fact, there are a lot of successful YouTube channels that are run by people who never show their faces. You see, many YouTubers also say you need to do oversaturated niches like motivational videos and quote compilations. Sure, those can work, but they're so competitive now, it's really hard to stand out. But there are also a lot of unsaturated niches. That's why I'm going to share 3 faceless, unsaturated niches where you can dominate without showing your face. I'll also show you a cool AI trick that you can use to make high-quality videos fast, without editing or being on camera yourself. So, if you're ready to learn, then stick around. I'm about to share some game-changing information with you. Let's go! Alright, the first channel that I'm going to show you is called Beginning to Now. Amazingly, this channel has only uploaded 5 videos so far, but has already exceeded 20,000 subscribers. That's awesome! The niche they are in is long-form historical documentaries. They make high-quality, scripted videos explaining major historical events and periods. The best part is, their channel is completely faceless and very easy to do. I'll show you step by step how you can easily make this type of video at the end of the video without needing any skills or effort with the help of AI. But first, let's look at how much money this channel is earning every month. According to Social Blade, in just the last 30 days alone, they have gotten over 800,000 views, and their estimated monthly earnings range from $206 to $3,300. This is based on Social Blade's estimation of their RPM range of 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. But from my research into this niche, I've found that documentary-style videos often earn higher RPMs of around $3 to $5. So, even though this channel only has 5 videos up right now, with over 800,000 views in the last 30 days, they could potentially be earning $2,400 to $4,000 plus per month. And this is with just 5 videos. Now imagine if you create more high-quality scripted documentaries consistently, you could realistically earn a minimum of $10,000 per month in this niche. The next hugely profitable and unsaturated niche I want to tell you about is psychology and mental health. There's an excellent channel called Psych2Go that covers all aspects of psychology like depression, anxiety, addiction, and more. Mental health issues are so common that videos on these topics get massive search traffic from people genuinely looking for help. Just let's look at Psych2Go's insane results. In the last 30 days alone, they've gotten above 20 million views. Their estimated monthly earnings range from over $5,000 to as high as over $80,000, all just from AdSense. This channel gets over 700,000 views every single day without fail. And the cool part is, they also make big money selling t-shirts through Teespring, which they promote on their YouTube channel. You can also easily recommend affiliate offers, online therapy platforms, and even promote your own t-shirt store on a channel like this to boost your income even more. Overall, this psychology and mental health niche is massively profitable, but still very unsaturated. If you make helpful content consistently, you can absolutely get the same massive results as Psych2Go. The last incredibly lucrative yet untapped niche I want to tell you about is in the travel niche. There's an awesome faceless channel called Tropia that makes amazing videos about top places to visit in different cities and countries. With just 119 videos uploaded so far, Tropia has already grown an astonishing channel with over 1.2 million subscribers. That kind of growth with such little content is truly mind-blowing. And their most popular video has 22 million views. From AdSense revenue alone, this channel easily earns anywhere between $409 to $6,500 per month, even without having to post new videos all that frequently. But here is the thing. Travel-related content typically generates very high RPM earnings of $5 to as much as $10 per 1,000 views. So, with 1.6 million views coming in every month, Tropia likely earns around $8,000 to $16,000 per month from their YouTube channel. You can also promote travel affiliate offers to make even more money. So in summary, the travel niche is super lucrative, but still not oversaturated. By making high-quality videos consistently, you can absolutely dominate this space like Tropia. So you've seen how these faceless YouTube channels are making a killing without showing their faces. But what if I told you there's a way to do even better? A way to create professional quality videos without any of the hassle. It sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. This revolutionary new technology is real. I used it to build my other entire YouTube channel. I'll show you how to use this AI to create high-quality videos without showing your face, from scripts to voiceovers and visuals. So, let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT and use it to get a good SEO video title for your niche. I've put a content prompt in the description you can use for better titles. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and wait for it to give you 10 optimized titles. I'll use a documentary niche video as an example, but you can use these editing techniques for any type of video. So, choose the best title that you like. Next, click the first link in the description and check out InVideo's revolutionary AI video maker. This is the tool I use to effortlessly create high-quality videos faster than ever before. With InVideo, there is absolutely no need to record footage, edit videos, or do any complicated production work yourself anymore. Once you've signed up for InVideo, you'll see a page like this. Then, select the YouTube explainer template and choose a video length of your choice. I chose 4 minutes as an example. Now, paste your title that you generated from ChatGPT into the first prompt box. Then, in the second prompt box, paste the detailed instructions from the prompt that I provided you. This gives InVideo's AI more information to generate even better content personalized to your niche. Next, go to Settings and choose the voiceover. I chose a male voice with a clear American accent. Select the visuals and scenes you want displayed. Press the Continue button to proceed, and then click the Generate button to create your content. The video generation process will take 5 up to 8 minutes. I'm really excited to see what we've created. It's finally done. I'm so excited to show you our video. The AI did an amazing job with the footage and the voice acting. It's like something professional video. Check it out.
This internal conflict would tear at the fabric of Rome, setting the stage for the end of the Republic and the start of the Roman Empire. Caesar's death was not the end of the Roman Empire, but rather the beginning of a new chapter. A chapter that would see Rome reach its zenith before its eventual decline. In the centuries following Caesar's death, Rome would reach its zenith, only to eventually crumble under its own weight.
I don't know about you, but I think the video we just made together turned out amazing. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd easily give it a 9 out of 10. The visuals were on point, voiceover sounded professional, and it clearly explained the topic. When you're ready, click Export to download your video in stunning 4K quality. And if you want to remove the watermark, be sure to upgrade. I upgraded because I love having access to all the insane pro features for my other YouTube channels. Got any questions about the process? Ask below, I'm happy to help clarify anything. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.